Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you what is the index in SQL and how to create, delete and use the indexes effectively in some simple examples. An index is a schema object. It is used by the server to speed up the retrieval of rows by using a pointer. It can reduce disk input output by using a rapid path access method to locate data quickly. An index helps to speed up select queries as well as the where clauses, but it slows down the update and insert statements. Indexes can be created or dropped with no effect on the data stored in the database. It is similar like the book index. When we want to reference all pages in a book that discusses a certain topic, we first refer to the index, which lists down all the topics alphabetically, and then refer to one or more specific page numbers. You have to remember one thing here. We cannot see the indexes. They are just for speed up the retrieval process. Let me explain you how to create and drop indexes with some simple examples. This is the SQL command line interface, and today we are going to create index on employees table. Let me show you how the metadata looks like. Just type DESC employees. So these are the many columns present in the employees table along with their data types and constraints. In this example, we are going to create an index on the employee ID, first name and last name columns in the employees table. For this, we just have to type create index, and now we have to give some index name here. In this case, we will give employees underscore index. You can give any name here. After that, we have to use on and the table name on which we have to create this index. So in this case, we have to put employees here, and in bracket we have to give the column names on which the index has to be done. So in this case, we are using employee ID, first name, comma last name. As you can see, the index has been created, but as you know, we cannot see this index. It will definitely speed up the retrieval process while we are fetching the employees ID, first name and last name column from the employees table. But the major disadvantage of creating an index on some table is when we are using the data manipulation command such as insert and update. It takes more time than the usual. We can also create unique index so that it avoids the duplicate records on a certain table. Let me show you how to do it. In this case, we will create a unique index on employee ID, salary and department ID on the employees table. For this, you just have to type create unique index. We have to use unique keyword before index. Index name, which we will give employee index 2 on the employees table, and in bracket we have to give the column names. So first one will be employee ID, second is salary, and last one is department ID. After hitting semicolon and enter, the index has been created. So in this way, we can create multiple indexes to speed up the retrieval process from the certain table in a database. If you want to drop an index from a database, it is a very simple process. We have to use drop command here. For this, we just have to type drop index and the index name. So in this example, we will delete the employees index which we have created earlier. Semicolon and enter. The index has been dropped. In this tutorial, I have briefly explained you how to create and drop index from a database. If you want to learn SQL, we have a full playlist dedicated to SQL. Just press the I button here. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get latest updates.